The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Hi, how are you today? Recently, WTT has changed the rule. Petra Sorling on WTT changes. What about Fan Zhendong's world ranking? The ITTF president, Petra Sorling, recently stated, "Players are at the heart of everything we do, and we are committed to listening to their feedback. I am delighted to see World Table Tennis implementing these positive changes, demonstrating our collective ability to address concerns genuinely, collaboratively, and swiftly. While this sounds promising, one key question remains. When will Fan Zhendong's world ranking be restored? The Fan Zhendong situation, a forced break. Fan Zhendong did not disappear from competition due to injury or lack of form. He simply chose not to participate in WTT events intensively. This decision led to his withdrawal from the world rankings. But why should a player of his caliber be forced into a choice between maintaining a high ranking and taking necessary breaks? The real solution is clear. His world ranking should be restored, and he should have the freedom to select which events he plays. After all, a player of his legacy has earned that right. Similarly, Chen Meng has already achieved everything in the sport. If she wishes to step back from the tour but still play in major events, why should she be penalized? This system should accommodate legendary players who have contributed immensely to table tennis, allowing them to participate in the biggest tournaments without excessive commitment to the WTT circuit. What about Ma Long? While no official announcement has been made regarding Ma Long's future, it appears increasingly unlikely that he will return to regular competition. However, there is still a possibility of him playing in World Championships or even the Paris Olympics. It is worth noting that the statement from ITTF did not specify a singles gold medalist. Since Ma Long is technically a gold medalist from Paris in the team event, the opportunity is still there, albeit highly uncertain. Prize money distribution, who benefits? One of the notable WTT changes is the increase in prize share for singles title winners. However, the overall prize pool has not seen a significant boost, except for the season-ending finals. This move benefits top Chinese national team, CNT players the most, as they are often the winners. But what about lower-ranked players who struggle to make a living playing table tennis? The real issue here is that more funding should be directed towards players in feeder events and those exiting early in tournaments. Increasing the prize pool at all levels would provide better financial sustainability for professional players worldwide. New regulations, enticing top players and introducing penalties. The WTT has added $500,000 to the total prize pool and increased the winner's share by 15%. While this seems like a general increase, in reality, it is structured to primarily entice the top players back into competition. Players now have more flexibility in choosing their participation, but this system still favors those at the very top, rather than supporting a broader base of professional athletes. Moreover, the new ITTF Handbook 2025 introduces penalties for yellow cards. This change raises concerns about how strictly these penalties will be enforced and whether they will disproportionately impact lower-ranked players rather than the sport's biggest stars. Conclusion: a step forward, but more is needed. The recent changes in WTT are a step towards addressing players' concerns, but they still leave key questions unanswered. The most crucial issue remains Fan Zhendong's world ranking. If ITTF and WTT truly value players' voices, they should restore his ranking and allow top players the flexibility to compete in the most prestigious events without forcing them into an exhausting calendar. Additionally, prize money distribution should be adjusted to benefit more players, ensuring that table tennis remains a viable career for professionals beyond the top-tier elites. For table tennis to thrive globally, the system must work for all players, not just the very best.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.